do my first science kit, which is not. This is not my first. This is my fourth one. So today we are going to do this. I'm going to go through the things that are in the box so I can explain it to you. So it comes with 2 instruction manuals for all the science stuff and all the science projects. I'll just keep that there. I'm getting out the toolkit, which is hard to say no to. Here are all the tools. I'll just keep that here for now. Now let's keep this open. And we even have some powders here. I don't know. This is for teeing. I don't know how to explain this. Can you rate this? This is what that should be. So this is not powder. I think this is lemon tea powder. Is that? I don't know. I can't read, by the way. Is this lemon tea? I don't know. Now finally my father told us this is peppermint. This is lemongrass, I think. Okay, that's lemongrass. Stuff goes in there. Now we have one scent called mango fruit scent. And there's rose food scent. Then there's blue food coloring, yellow food coloring, and red food coloring. And we even have the cornstarch. What is this? I think this is not powder. I don't know. And we have baking soda. So we have all of our ingredients. Let's just take them out. Okay, the thing that we're gonna start is making slime. My father's gonna tell us all the things that we need.
Alright, the equipments that we need a cup.
Okay, I'm getting off. Now, here's one cup.
A spatula,
Spatula,
a beaker.
a beaker.
Now the materials that we need from the kit: psyllium husk,
Psyllium Husk,
food color,
I want red,
and some water.
okay, we'll put the water. Okay, now my father is gonna tell the instructions what we all need for the slime making.
Okay, there are 5 steps.
Okay?
First step, take a cup and add 3 scoops of psyllium husk to it.
Psyllium Husk. Is that right? 1, 2. Oh, that is a big one. Okay, then I come 3. Okay, we got all the psyllium husk.
Now add 4 drops of any food color to it.
Okay, but can you open it there? You have to poke it. So my father. Okay, now how many drops then?
4 drops.
Now 4 drops of red food coloring because I is close to pink. So, sorry, I'm coming. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Right. Next, add 15 ml of water in the beaker. Add it to the cup. Mix well using spatula.
Which side that? The spoon side or this side? This side.
Yes.
4. This side. Now I'm mixing it up. It doesn't look like slime. Okay. Now the next step is we have to put it in a microwave for 10 seconds at a time until it rests. My father's gonna help me with this.
Okay.
Okay, now we put it for a total 40 seconds. It's all sticky and gooey now. We'll keep on mixing it until it becomes like slimy. And that's it there. Okay, now this has become all sticky. We just have to let it cool and then we'll get a slime. I'm really happy because I love slime.
Are you happy with the color?
Not really because color didn't come.
But what about the texture?
I haven't touched it.
Is it still hot?
Yes, I can feel it.
I think you need to let it cool for some more time.
It's warm. It's a little hot. But this is super.
Hey Tia, is your slime ready yet?
No. It's a little hot. It's warm right now. But how we actually make the slime is we add glue, coloring, and activator. If you want it to shine, add glitter at the last. This is sticking to my
But is
hand.
that what you did this time?
No. Can you feel it? We use this, water, and we use that
Psyllium Husk?
Psyllium Husk. Some red food coloring. Dad, can you some red food coloring, and we use a 15 ml of water. It's not in there because we poured it out. Okay. Now this is the slime we made so far. It's sticky. I'm gonna let it cool for more. But hope you had fun. It's a little jelly. Hope you had fun. Thank you for seeing my video.